Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Facebook application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook app on your device. And once you open it up, you will directly be taken into your homepage, from which you can view various different posts, reels and more. Now, if you wish to log out from your account within this application, just tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. And now from the menu page, just scroll all the way down and you will now see the logout button. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out from your account. Tap on the yes button and now you will be logged out from your account on Facebook right away. If your account information is saved, then you might be able to directly click on your account to log back in, or you can click on log in to another account in order to manually enter your credentials to log into any account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Facebook application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.